Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Thanks for being here with me today. We'll start off with this one. This is TLP Mosh. It's a neon, hard to describe, it's a pale orange, but it gives a lovely glow. One of the neon range. This is another neon TLP. This one is Funk, neon violet. And this is Hustle, neon magenta. That might be a little bit thick. That's just water. I'll mix that up in a minute. And this one is another neon. This is Psych, neon teal. Also TLP, it's one of the new ones. And then we go on to this is Jo Sonja Aqua. Get that off the spoon before it drops into my paint, that's it. And this one is, it's Atelier and it's Cobalt Turquoise, but it's the semi-opaque one. You've got an opaque one and the semi-opaque one is more expensive. I will put the exact title, what it says on the tube, in my description box. I didn't want just opaque, I wanted semi-opaque today. On my cell activator today is Atelier Blue Black, mixed approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of Floetrol to 1 part of paint, and I decided not to use the white. I am adding some white, but I'm using Boomgel stain in Stirling wax white instead. Canvas is a 12 by 16 inch, and my base is actually not house paint today. It's all kinds of acrylics. It's not quite black. It did dry looking black, but it's as I say, it's all sorts of Paynes Grey and Prussian Blue, and there is some black in there as well, mixed with Floetrol, Australian Floetrol. Okay then, I'll let you carry on watching.
Call me, tell me I'm alive, pull me, fill me up inside, here in the silence of the space we all find the conclusion, break our illusions, way beyond seeking ourselves. Floating in my mind, taking what I find, how it is to where it's come and why it's meant to be. Dreaming I could lay in fields of Claude Monet. Sirens call my ear and I hear beautiful creatures sing to believers, way beyond seeking themselves. Tonight, oh tonight, I wonder if tonight is when I will feel it again. Tonight, I wish to live, I wish to stay. In the light, in the dark, on the verge of who we are, we solemnly reach for the stars. Tonight, I wish to love you all the way, all the way. Naked to the bone, opening my soul to how it is, to where it's come, to where it's meant to go. Freedom is within, harmony begins. ourselves. Tonight, oh tonight, I wonder if tonight is when I will feel it again. Tonight, I wish to live, I wish to stay. In the light, in the dark, on the verge of who we are, we solemnly reach for the stars. Tonight, I wish to love you all the way. Tonight, oh tonight, I wonder if tonight is when I will feel it again. Tonight, I wish to live, I wish to stay. Fill me up inside. In the light, in the dark, on the verge of who we are, we solemnly reach for the stars. Tonight, I wish to love you all the way. Call me all the way. Hold me all the way. All the way.
I know I've used these colours a few times now, but I just love this combination. Beautiful over black. So if you like it, please hit that like button and please share. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. And thank you very much for watching. All my details will be listed in my description box. Everybody take care. Stay safe. See you all next time. Bye.